Hello, good day. So for this video, our topic is about daily time record under My Account menu. So, My Account Daily Time Record. So for this page, makikita ninyo yung list of work schedule and break time niya with its corresponding time in and time out punches on a given cutoff. So sa pag-load ng page, ang magiging default date range ay ang current cutoff. Pwede niya i-change ang cutoff by changing the from date and it will automatically generate the cutoff kung saan pasok ang selected date. Okay. Sa taas, makikita ng employee ang color legend which is for identifying the status ng schedule or punches. So meron tayong ditong day off, on time, leave, missing, late, in or early out, and then holiday. So ang example for this color legend is this one, is for holiday. Dito ang holiday, and then kung late in siya or early out, magpupula ito. And then for leave, it's purple. Then kung may day off, and on time niya, mga on time, and then missing. Next is the accept daily time record button. So once na na-click ito ni employee, it means na okay na ang kanyang DTR at wala na siyang concern sa kanyang DTR for that cutoff. Needed na i-check ni employee ang kanyang DTR time to time for every cutoff and click ang accept daily time record before generating payroll para malaman ng payroll in charge na pwede na siya mag-proceed in generating payroll kasi wala ng concerns ang mga empleyado tungkol sa kanilang DTR. So kung sakaling upon checking ni employee sa kanyang DTR ay at nakita ang mali, for example ito, mali ang kanyang punch in or punch out, pwede siya maka-request ng DTR correction. The employee simply needs to click the edit icon button and fill out the form. So dito sa form, makikita natin ang kanyang schedule, kung anong gusto niyang i-edit ito, ay yung mismo ang data sa form, kung ang kanyang actual punch in at punch out niya. Kung missing naman, let's say dito, kung naka-missing naman ang kanyang actual punch in or punch out, so pang-edit niya, ang actual punch in niya ay naka-none. So sa second table naman is ang gusto niya i-request na tamang DTR niya. So dito niya i-edit ang kanyang time. Kasi sabi siya naka-time in at lumabas siya ng 6:02. Tama lang yung 6:02, yung time in yung mali. And then remarks kung anong gustong sabihin. And then, so after checking all the details, just click on this request correction button at may pop-up na lalabas na are you sure you want to proceed? Please double check. So take note na ang pag-request ng DTR correction ay sa isang schedule is only a one-time process. Once save na ang DTR correction, hindi na ito pwede ma-edit or makansel. Kung kaya't kailangan magdobling ingat ang employee upon requesting DTR correction. Makikita din ng employee ang approved status ng kanyang request na DTR correction by clicking again the edit icon button. So ipa-file lang natin to. Just proceed. And once naka-request na tayo for that date, so hindi na tayo maka-save or request correction. And then, pwede na tayo maka-view ng approval status ng ating DTR correction, just simply go to this tab, signatory, and makikita na natin kung na-approve na yung request natin na DTR. Once approved na ni HR ang kanyang request, it will automatically change the DTR of the requested schedule. So once dito nag-approve na si HR, this will automatically change sa kung ano ang sinet mo dito sa correction time in mo or sa correction time out. So all in all, that's all for the daily time record under my account menu. Thank you.